Hello everybody, welcome back to Space Flight Simulator. You can see the rocket just took off, and well, you know the title of this video, I think, but this video is part 3 of building or of making a lunar space station in SFS. So also the blueprint is in the description. So if you want to do this, if you want to make this rocket yourself, or if you want to make this space station yourself, I put the link in all 3 of the videos so you can get this exact same rocket. If you wanted to build this space station. And also, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. It really helps our channel. That red button is free, and it will help out a ton. So, alright. Yes. You can see we are doing the circularization burn. And also the second stage on this rocket. The payload is so light that the second stage, I could literally just chop it off. I could literally just get rid of it, and it would still work. Yes. Which means maybe this would work in realistic mode. I doubt it. I'm not sure. But maybe. You know, I'm not so doubtful about it. Sure, maybe I need to use some of the payload's fuel, but does that really matter? You know? And yes, we're aiming prograde, which basically prograde means that the tip of your rocket is facing the direction that you're going, hence making your orbit bigger. And I do not do the Hohmann transfer in this video. Well, maybe you could technically consider a circularization burn, or like getting to orbit of Earth. Maybe you could technically consider that a Hohmann transfer. I'm not sure if you could, but I don't think that technically counts in the circularization burn of the moon. I don't think that counts either. Yes, and you can see I accidentally overdid the burn of the moon. Yes. See that line that goes through that circle around that smaller circle? That smaller circle is the moon. That bigger circle is its sphere of influence. That's basically just the range which you can get an orbit. Or, if you want to be specific, you can be captured by the gravity and stay there. If you want to be specific. And then you can see, and then that line there is our trajectory around the moon. Yes. So you can see the trajectory, it's getting closer. Also, I did just change the channel name from Space and Kirby Do 999 to Space Do 999. So, yeah. And yes, you can see we are aiming retrograde, basically the opposite of prograde. Basically, your engines are basically your rocket. The top of the rocket is facing away from your from where you're going, and when you turn your engines on, you're gonna go backwards, slowing down, effectively doing, well, what you just saw. And then, yes, you can see me trying to find which rocket is the station. By the way, let me know what you want this station to be named in the comments. I don't know what to call it. Also, while you're commenting that, also comment if you'd want to see a Minecraft hardcore series. I'm gonna be making 3 videos today, but I'm just gonna assume you will. So yeah, because I just have a few videos, 3 videos I want to try to get out today. For me, it's Friday, August 16th, 2024. For me, anyway. And then you can see we undock. You can see the magnetic force kicks in and reconnects us. Me. Why the beep do you need to do this? Solar panel breaks. Yeah. So I'm redoing that. Also, if you haven't seen this series already, make sure you go watch the other 2 videos of this series so you're all caught up. Yes, me. What? I don't know what I was trying to say there. I'm aiming retrograde. Sus breathing. Um, um, yes. Um, 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 yeah. You can see that, we're getting closer. And then, yeah. I tilted. So I tilted so I could get out of the way of the stupid debris that nobody wants to see because it's just gonna sit there for the rest of its existence. And you can see I move out of its way because I don't want it in my way. Get out of my way. And then you can see I'm getting closer to the debris, but that's just because I want to be above it and not below it, because otherwise I'd crash into it and that wouldn't be good. Ha 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 ha. And yeah. So um 2-minute mark. When I said that, I meant there were 2 minutes left of the video, not that we were 2 minutes in. Yeah, so you can see the closest approach. I have a few mods. Yeah, closest approach I forgot to mention in my first part where I was mentioning mods I had more part or not the well I do have the more parts mod, but I'm not using that mod in this video. But I have the closest approach mod, which, you guessed it, tells you your closest approach. And you may be asking why I need solar panels when my station already has solar panels. Well, because there are going to be more modules that require more electricity. So, yeah. And then, we are. You can see that we want to slow down our side velocity, so we actually dock, coming from a docking pro, and I used to be like trash at docking. My first space station was just, I don't even know how much solar panel overlaption even happened there, if that's even the right word. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know, hit that notification bell, and I will see all of you in the next video.